In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for sales pipeline tracking. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by creating your board. To do this, simply click the plus button located in your workspace and select New Board. You can name it something like Sales Pipeline or CRM Tracker to keep things clear. If you prefer, there's a helpful option to start from scratch, or you can search for Sales Pipeline in the Template Center for a pre-structured layout, which can save you some time. Once you've created your board, it's time to organize your pipeline stages. Think of structuring your groups to represent the life cycle of a lead. Common groups you might use are new leads, in progress, negotiation, and closed deals. As leads progress through your sales funnel, simply move their corresponding items between these groups to keep track of their status. The next step is to set up essential columns to store vital lead data. This could include information such as contact details, deal value, and the source of the lead. To ensure you have a clear view of each deal's status, use a status column. Additionally, a date column will be very useful for tracking follow-up timelines, ensuring that you never miss a crucial interaction. Now let's talk about automating your workflow. By clicking the Automate button at the top of your board, you can set up some time-saving rules that make managing your sales process much easier. For example, consider setting a recipe that triggers a notification to the sales rep when the status of a lead changes to contacted. You could also set an alert for the owner when the follow-up date arrives, which ensures prompt action. Next, let's visualize your sales pipeline using dashboards. To add a dashboard view, simply click on Add View and select Dashboard. Here you can add various widgets for deeper insights into your sales activities. For instance, the Chart widget lets you visualize deals by stage or representative, while the Numbers widget helps you track total deal value or even forecasted revenue. Additionally, using the Battery widget will provide a quick glance at your overall progress toward sales goals. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, the Kanban view allows you to drag and drop deals between stages, giving you an intuitive way to manage your workflow visually. To streamline your communication, integrate tools directly within Monday.com. Use the Emails and Activities app to connect either your Outlook or Gmail account. This allows you to log calls, emails, and meetings directly within the lead's item card, keeping all communication centralized and easily accessible. Finally, tracking performance and forecasting your sales is crucial. Use the chart views to analyze conversion rates and detect trends, such as wins versus losses. Additionally, a formula column can be a powerful way to calculate weighted revenue projections based on the probability of closing each deal, giving you a more accurate picture of potential earnings. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your sales pipeline efficiently within Monday.com. Happy tracking!